and welcome to GHRCE News Desk. The lockdown due to COVID-19 is considered as a crucial phase of the country as it is all set for a major change. While some crib and consider this nationwide lockdown as a bane and a chance to just kill time, GHRC has been propelling towards its desired strategy to ensure continuous teaching learning process. This news desk has been consistently making efforts to ensure that the triumphs of the GHRC are made cognizant, with eminent personalities from the institution sharing their fortitudes. Today we have with us Dr. Santosh Jaju, Dean, Research and Development GHRC, to appraise us on the contributions of students and faculties towards research during this lockdown period. Welcome, sir.
Hello everybody. As Dean Research and Development, I would like to brief you about the R&D activities of the institute. With effective R&D policies and norms in place, the intellectual capital of institute is noteworthy. Faculties have utilized this lockdown period into great opportunity to significantly contribute on research and development front. The institute has published 5,000 plus publications in reputed journals and conferences indexed by elite indexing agencies like Web of Science, Scopus, SCI, ESCI, with citation count to the tune of 7,000 plus. This trend is being continued, and this lockdown period is being utilized effectively to write research papers based on the work undertaken by students and faculties. I must mention here, more than 210 research papers have been already written by students and faculties together, and each and every paper is being checked for its uniqueness by Turnitin software.
Book chapter, which is always considered as a platform to raise the profile of its writer as it constitutes substantial knowledge. To what extent is GHRC as a whole is able to contribute for the book chapters, sir?
It's true. Book chapters raise the profile of the writer. Institute has to its credit more than 30 books and chapters together. On this front also faculties are not lagging. They are moving this graph in upward trend with more than 20 chapters being prepared on the core and interdisciplinary and multidisciplinary topics to be sent to top publishing houses like Taylor and Francis, Springer, CRC Press and likewise. Faculties have started writing even books, and 15 books proposals are in process on core and interdisciplinary areas and shall target to complete soon, with few chapters being already drafted.
More than 30 book chapters. That sounds a splendid act indeed. Could you please also address about the progress of the copyright proposals of the institution, sir? As we got to hear our innovation in ventilators for the patients affected by coronavirus. Could you please address?
Yes, Institute has 5 copyrights on its name. Now, more than 70 copyrights proposals in the form of PPT, posters are ready. These copyrights shall cover course material, research outcome in the form of standard process model, and specially to mention, we have established various center of excellences, and one of the center of excellence, Biomedical Technology Business Incubation Center BETIC, in association with IIT Bombay, has developed unique and innovative product for ventilator in the present crisis of COVID-19. Already we have taken design rights and copyright is in process. It is worth mentioning that every paper, copyright, book chapter or any contribution in the similar form are being checked by Turnitin software for unique content. During lockdown period, more than 400 checks are completed on Turnitin software.
How far are we when it comes to acquiring patents, sir, as it plays a very vital role in research and development?
Yes, protecting intellectual property is very important. We at GHRC provides technical and financial support for filing patent for the innovative work being carried out by our students and faculties together. It is worth mentioning that already till date GHRC has filed 211 patents, with institute being ranked consistently amongst top 10 patent filers for last 5 years at national level as per the annual report being published by Indian Patent Office of Government of India. Almost creative work in the form of project being undertaken by students is on the verge of completion, with just testing being remaining. Hence, faculties and students together are making this lockdown period into opportunity by drafting their patent for their innovative work. Already 12 patent drafts are being ready for filing, with equal number in process.
R&D grants typically support the commercial development of any innovation. So what are the measures that were taken in terms of research funding, sir?
Yes, in research funding is very important. GHRC received research and development grants worth rupees 25 crores for research projects from prestigious government organizations such as AICT, Department of Science and Technology, DST, UGC, in addition to many seminar grants, travel grants, EDP grants, TQIP Project 1, Project 2 of MHRD, Government of India, AICT Digital Classroom, AICT Margdarshan for Mentoring 10 Institutes, Margdarshan Scheme for NBA accreditation, UGC Paramar Scheme for NAC accreditation, Nidhi TBI from Department of Science and Technology, Prerna Scheme of AICT for Higher Studies, AICT Samruddhi Startup Scheme, Skill and Personality Development Program Center from AICT, TBI funding for winner of Smart India Hackathon hardware category, and many. Every year we submit large number of proposals to funding agencies like AICT, SERB, DST, UGC. This lockdown period has been effectively used for preparing good research proposals. To mention here, I must appreciate faculties for submitting research proposals to Supra scheme of SERB, Swarna Jayanti scheme of DST. Even UGC has extended the deadline for the schemes funded by UGC till 30th September 2020 as per the recent notification being issued. Faculties are taking efforts to utilize this golden opportunity to submit the proposals. Not only UGC schemes, but government has extended deadlines for almost all schemes being floated, whose date was either 31st March or 30th April till 30th September 2020. Already 3 proposals are submitted to Swarna Jayanti scheme of DST and 2 proposals in Supra, with few more in pipeline. In a nutshell, I must appreciate the efforts being taken by faculties, PhD scholars, PG students and UG students for significantly contributing in research and development and taking further the graph ahead. I appeal to all students and faculties to take this opportunity and utilize it to the fullest extent for their growth.
Thank you for sharing the R&D insights of GHRC, and we express our best wishes to the entire team on their future progress. That was Dr. Santosh Jaju, Dean R&D, who addressed on the engineering progress amidst COVID-19 lockdown. A famous quote states that instead of worrying about what you can't control, shift your energy to what you can create. GHRC evidences that crisis cannot disrupt the opportunity to excel. With that note, this is Sindhu Panikar signing off from GHRC News Desk. Until we meet you in the next edition, stay home, stay safe, and stay updated with us. Thank you.